Right now, foldable phones feel like they're stuck in this awkward phase. They're cool, they're futuristic, but there's always that one thing holding them back. Maybe it's durability, maybe the crease, maybe the fact that you're always a little scared something might break. But Samsung might finally be about to fix a lot of that. Because if the latest leaks are accurate, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Galaxy Z Flip 8 aren't just routine upgrades. These might actually be the moment where foldables stop feeling experimental and start feeling finished. And some of the changes rumored this year are surprisingly smart. One of the most interesting features being talked about is something that sounds simple but could end up being incredibly useful in real life: built-in display privacy. According to recent reports, Samsung is testing a privacy layer that's integrated directly into the foldable display itself. So imagine you're on a train, sitting in a cafe, or standing in line at the airport checking emails or messages. Normally, anyone sitting next to you can glance over and see your screen. With this system, people viewing from the side would basically see nothing. The key difference, though, is that this wouldn't be like those cheap privacy screen protectors you stick on your phone. Those usually make your screen dim, dull, and harder to see. Samsung's version is supposedly built into the display panel itself, which means your brightness, colors, and viewing experience should stay exactly the same. If that works the way it's supposed to, it's actually a pretty big deal. Especially for people who use their phones for work, banking, or handling sensitive information in public. But privacy isn't the only area Samsung seems to be focusing on. One of the biggest fears people still have with foldables is dust. Because unlike a normal phone, there's a moving hinge and layers inside the display, and if something tiny gets trapped in there when you close the phone, well, that can get expensive really fast. Samsung might have a clever solution for that too. There are rumors about something called foreign material detection. Basically, sensors inside the device could detect if there's debris between the folding layers before you close the phone. So instead of accidentally crushing a tiny particle into the screen, the phone could warn you first. It sounds like a small thing, but it's exactly the type of feature foldables need. Not flashy, not gimmicky, just practical protection that helps the phone last longer. And durability overall seems to be getting a serious upgrade this year. One of the biggest structural changes rumored for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is a brand new metal support plate inside the display. Instead of relying on older film materials, Samsung Display has reportedly switched to a laser-drilled metal reinforcement layer. The idea is to make the folding structure both stronger and smoother at the same time. On top of that, the panel itself could use dual ultra-thin glass layers. That should give the screen a more solid, premium feel every time you open the device while also improving long-term durability. And this change might help with something people complain about every single year: the crease. Samsung has reportedly refined the adhesive layer between the OLED panel and the ultra-thin glass. By making that layer softer and more flexible, the display can bend more naturally when folded, which could reduce the visible crease significantly. If that works, it might be the closest we've come yet to a foldable screen that looks almost flat. Design-wise, the updates might look subtle on the outside, but they could make a big difference in daily use. Leaks point to the slightly rounder corners, a smoother hinge, and possibly an even thinner frame. But the really interesting rumor is about the shape of the display itself. Samsung could be experimenting with a wider foldable design for the Galaxy Z Fold 8. When opened, it would feel closer to a compact tablet rather than a tall, narrow screen. That would make multitasking a lot more comfortable. Two apps side by side would actually feel natural, videos and games would look more immersive, and overall the device would feel more like a mini workstation in your pocket. And despite all these upgrades, the phone might actually get lighter. Early reports suggest the Fold 8 could weigh around 200 grams, which is impressive considering the hardware packed inside. Speaking of hardware, the camera setup might finally bring foldables closer to flagship slab phones. The Fold 8 is rumored to feature a massive 200-megapixel main camera alongside a 50-megapixel ultra-wide and a 3x telephoto lens. If Samsung pulls that off, foldable photography could jump to a completely different level. Battery life might also improve with a larger 5,000 milliampere hour battery, and faster charging speeds, which is something power users have been asking for. But here's where the story gets even more interesting. The display technology behind the Fold 8 might also be part of something much bigger happening in the industry. Earlier this year, Samsung showed off a nearly creaseless foldable OLED panel at CES. At the time, there were rumors that this exact technology might power both Samsung's next foldable and Apple's first foldable iPhone. Now, new reports suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 8 will indeed use that advanced panel, but Apple could be taking a slightly different approach. Apparently, both companies are using the same core OLED layer, but the materials underneath are different. Samsung is reinforcing the display with a metal plate structure, while Apple is reportedly experimenting with glass as the support layer instead. Two completely different engineering philosophies trying to solve the same foldable problem, which means the next year could turn into a really interesting showdown. Samsung pushing hardware innovation, and Apple potentially focusing on software, interface design, and ecosystem integration. And with both devices expected sometime in the second half of the year, the foldable market might finally be entering its most competitive phase yet. But for now, Samsung looks like it's making a very clear move. Instead of chasing flashy gimmicks, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Flip 8 seem focused on fixing the real issues people have with foldables. Stronger displays, better durability, smarter protection features, improved cameras, and a more practical design. If even half of these leaks turn out to be true, this could be the moment foldables stop feeling like early tech and start feeling like the future of smartphones. So the real question is pretty simple. If Samsung actually delivers on all of this, would you switch to a foldable as your main phone? Let me know what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed for the latest leaks and updates because the next few months in the smartphone world are about to get very interesting.